Jan Arca S. Aliosa with high honors. She is a recipient of the following subject proficiency award: Best in English, Best in Mathematics, Best in Science, and Best in Filipino. She will also receive the following special awards: Academic Excellence Award, Star Reader Award in English, Star Reader Award in Filipino, Little Teacher Award, Personality Award for joining the search for Lakambini during the Wika celebration, and Performing Arts Award for competing in Guhit Bulilit during the Division Festival of Talents and English Week Poem Competition. Kate Elison J. Bain with high honors. She is a recipient of a following special award: Personality Award for joining United Nations Organization 20